Hello, so today we're going to go through a quick routine to wake our body up in the morning. We can rub our hands together to warm up some Qi. Inhale up and exhale down, gathering the heavens into the lower dantian. Inhaling up, reach nice and tall, gathering the heavens and back down through the center, sinking the pelvis to the earth, lifting up, gathering the heavens. This time dive the hands down through the center and then turn it around and pull into the sides, lifting up, gathering, dive down through the center, turn and pull. This time we'll do it with some healing sounds, making the sound ha and then hu. Let's try it. Ha, hu, and again. Ha, hu, ha, hu. So we're clearing the heart, and then and you'll feel your core engaging as you do that sound. Now let's circle the belly just to create some warmth and begin to bounce around in a circle. So you're circling clockwise to represent the digestion direction, and we can add some movement with the legs. So dipping, so going round in a circle as well with the legs. You can make smaller circles and then bigger circles, or you can spiral outwards and then spiral back in, store the Qi there, take some deep breaths, and just massage up and down the sides. And raising up some kidney water and washing down the heart fire. Clearing any stress or tension from your body, helping your mind to relax, and circle around the back, lifting up again, press down. Lifting the crown of the head and tucking the pelvis. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling out the mouth. And feel a balance between the front of your foot and the back of your foot. As you lift the crown and tuck the pelvis, feel like your pelvis, your tailbone has a weight drawing it to the earth, and like you have a string lifting the crown of the head, elongating the spine. And smile from your heart. Breathe from the lower dantian, just below the navel. expanding the ribs and chest all the way around 360 as you feel comfortable. Not forcing anything, just feeling the chi circulating around you. Sometimes it's good just to focus on one exercise, one movement, until you get it, get the nuances and the details. Now let's press one hand up and one hand down, stretching the side of the body, stretching the arms, and then switch through the center. Turn a little bit, find your center, cross the arms over, and again switching again. Feel like the arms are pressing apart without any strain or tension, just gently pushing apart. And bring the hands back to the sides and relax. This one's called lifting sun and moon, so the hands go to the side, lifting up and pressing down. This one really helps to clear the liver meridians and gallbladder meridian. It starts on the side of the body and also really improves circulation in the hands. Inhale up, exhale down. And we want our elbows to go slightly behind. Exhaling with the sound shu in a whisper or out loud. Expanding the belly and the chest naturally, just as you exhale. There's a natural tendency for the inhale to begin again. And when you feel full, then you exhale, releasing gently as though you're sighing. And relaxing to the earth. Next, let's clear the lung meridian, pushing out to the side. So we cross the hands over, make a fist, and then push the index finger and the thumb into this mudra. So even the thumb can be tucked under. Inhale and cross. Exhale, press out to the side. This is for the metal element. Feel a sense of clarity. Just a variation of the one hand drawing a bow exercise. Step out a bit wider and press forward. feel like you're pulling the energy into the kidneys, and then exhale from the lungs. Ha! 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 We make the ha sound to clear any heart heat or stress. So you can do that up to 20 times to clear the lungs. And you can also do the clear the liver like this, punching out, twisting, and switching arms. Exhale. Shh. Inhale. Exhale. Shh. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Shh. Exhale. Inhale. Shh. Inhale. Inhale. So you can leave a slight pause here with the hands as you inhale and then switch. Or you can do a shorter exhale. That can also be effective, clearing out tension and anger associated with the element of wood. I think when we feel blocked, our growth is blocked, or we're frustrated. So it's almost like a forceful movement, but it's releasing because there's the yin and the yang are in harmony, transforming the anger into kindness. So that's the idea with that one from the 8 brocades. And let's massage the hands together, and let's comb the hair backwards, waking up some energy in the brain. Close your eyes and tap around the head, back of the head and the side of the neck. Around, close your eyes and tap on the eyes. And open the eyes, tap on the face. And back around the head, down the chest. Patting down all the way to the earth, and then roll back up. And we'll pat down the arms like this. And again. One more time. And the other arm. And we can tap down on the inside of the legs as well. Back up on the outside. Let's do that a couple of times. Down on the inside of the legs and up on just on the outside, not the very outside, and tapping down the front, not the very inside but the inside of the front. That's the spleen meridian. And then up on the outside, it's the stomach meridian. I'll just pat a few times around the belly in a clockwise direction, and tapping on the back. With a cup. Down the back of the legs. Can take a deep breath and lift up and release.